Google launch events are usually formality more than anything else. The company isn't the best at guarding the secrecy of its phone and its defense tactics to reveal some of the products before official unveiling event to show leaks who is the boss. Just today, the company showed us what the rumored Pixel 4 looks like, and it has already talked about the Pixel tablet several times. The company has also kind of shows off the Pixel 7a, but if you are too impatient to wait for the May 10 Google I/O conference, someone has posted a hands-on videos on YouTube. YouTuber Vanchi has made a detailed Pixel 7a video and has also shown us some camera sample. It's the Arctic Blue variant. They say they bought the unit, which isn't surprising considering the phone is unofficially already on sale. And as countless leaks has said that the Pixel 7a design is a cross between the Pixel 7 and the Pixel 6a. Even though the phone has the same diagonal screen size as the Pixel 6a 6.1 inch, it is said that to be a little wider and taller than its predecessor. The phone is said to be 193 gram of weight, which makes it heavier than the 178 gram Pixel 6a. The YouTuber has confirmed that the Pixel 7a has a 90Hz screen, which is a step up from the Pixel 6a 60Hz display. It's not an LTPO screen, so the refresh rate will not be changed adaptively. The phone is unsurprisingly powered by in-house Tensor G2 chipset and it's mated with 8 GB of RAM. For reference, the Pixel 6a has 6 GB of RAM. Leaks had said that the Pixel 7a would have 4400 mAh battery, but the video says that it packs a 4300 mAh battery. It might be referring to phone actual capacity. Chances are that the advertised capacity will be higher. The phone is said to be supporting 20 watt of wired charging, and for the first time, Google budget phone is coming with a wireless charging. The wireless charging speed is just 5 watt. The video has also confirmed that the Pixel 7a will support face unlock. He also took some pictures from the Pixel 7a and the main camera shared out 16 megapixel picture, which seems to align with the rumors that said it would have 64 megapixel of a shooter. It's probably implying the pixel binning technology. The YouTuber says that the ultra wide camera, which leaks said is 12 megapixel, also produced 16 megapixel pictures. The shoot looks impressive and will help Google budget handset retain its position as one of the best camera phones. Anyhow guys, the Pixel 7a is reportedly be releasing on May 11 and expected to be costing around $500. Anyhow, let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. What are your opinion on the Pixel 7a? Are you willing to buy that phone in that pricing? Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe. Peace.